There we go, guys. Is that all it took? Was to slow it down. That's all I did, you guys. This is a nice fish. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Bass Watch. I'm Cody, and on today's episode, we have just a little bit of time to kill, and we have some storms moving in. So, you know what that means. Let's go try to catch a fish. Okay. Let's try not to lose our lures. When the water's up like this, it's pretty easy to. This is pretty shallow water, really. Oh, did you guys see that? Like a little spotted bass or something that was following it. Come on, buddy, now's your chance. Oh, yep. Calm down, bud. Little spotted bass, that's funny. Alright, guys, we caught something. A small spotted bass. Very eager. He chased it in and came out of the water for it. So I tossed it back in and he grabbed it. See ya, you little invasive shit. Go for a stop recording. Alright, y'all, it is raining, so sorry if you get a little wet. We have switched to a tackle max fugitive bait. There it is, folks. The rain. Problem is, like, it's looking like we're getting some kind of ugly weather with it too, you know? Jesus! That was a stick. Did y'all see that? Ooh, my life flashed before my eyes. So one adjustment that I made is I swapped out the 4-inch baby bass color for the 3.5-inch Bass Watch 90 color. The reason? Well, match the hatch. Duh. It is beginning to be that time of year where I have the hardest time patterning fish consistently. You gotta kind of forget about fishing the normal places that you would regularly target. I've always heard that this is like walleye weather, you know what I mean? Where it's windy, cloudy, drizzly, there's a chop on the water. There we go, guys. Is that all it took? Was to slow it down. That's all I did, you guys. This is a nice fish. This is a very nice fish. Oh, it's a drum. God, drum bites so hard, dude. You feel way bigger. Alright, guys. Switching to the Bass Watch 90 color was indeed the move to make. Alright, buddy. Thank you. Species number 2. Thank you, bud. Oh! Woohoo! Alright. Son of a bitch. Oh, good job. Oh, no. Oh, I thought it broke the tip of the rod, dude. No, it took the freaking... How the hell did that happen? The glue failed on the tip of the rod. Wind. Come on, you bitch. There we go. Not the cleanest, but we can clean it up at home, where we're not trying to catch a fish. Shit! I'm about to step in the water. There we go. You ever do that? Like, you gotta get as close to the water as possible, even if it means accidentally stepping in the water and ruining your freaking dry shoes and everything, just to get 6 inches closer. Like that really matters. Snagged on a leaf or something. Yep. Oh yeah, thanks leaf. Thanks for ruining my whole cast and then coming off 10 feet from the bank. This thing is reeling like shit, man. There's nothing caught up in there. There we go. Have some lube. Best I can do out here on the riverbank, Rod. Reel, I'm sorry. You're just gonna have to deal with it. Give her the old hawk tour.
Spit on that thing, you get me?
Well, I think we're gonna stick with the swim bait. Just because I need to get better at fishing low and slow. You know, for things like walleye. We broke it off. So we're back to the little square bill. God, my reel is reeling 1000% better. Ooh, holy shit, you guys. That was a big fish. That was a big fish. Did you see it? Dude, that was a nice fish, you guys. That first one that had it. Damn it. Looked like another species too. Looked like a white bass. Oh, there we go, guys. I was pulling that really slow up through there. Dude, we got something. Are you a white? Yep. Nice, very nice. Tackle Max, Fugitive, Basswatch 90 color. Hang on, hey. And Fugitive Minnow claims a victim right as the rain rolls in. Alright, buddy. Oh, did you see that tiny little spotted bass? Oh, he was cute. He was like a little longer bait. He'll probably grab it. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. You know, our target fish just wasn't there. I'm sure it was, I just tell myself that to feel better. Anyway, make sure that you guys leave this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, share, subscribe if you enjoyed it. We hope you did. Head on over to finsprogear.com, get yourself some sweet new fishing gear. Save 15% using our discount code STAYWILD at checkout. Okay guys, till next time, you know what to do. Stay wild. Come on, bro. Spiky shit. Uh-oh. Great. I just had a mild panic attack, keeping his head cocked to the side as to see through the ripples. Not this time, because it's fouled up. We caught something. I guess 6 inches does matter. So, sorry if you get a little wet. Okay. Woo, shit. Go get him, Tiger. Robert. Heat that rod up and... Son of a bitch. Excuse me. Like, what's the worst that's gonna happen? Nothing?